Dental implants are like artificial tooth roots. They are a revolutionary solution in modern dentistry, designed to provide a strong foundation for replacement teeth that look, feel, and function like natural teeth. Unlike traditional dentures or bridges, dental implants are surgically placed into the jawbone, ensuring a secure and permanent fit. They are small, sturdy posts made of titanium. Titanium is a biocompatible material, meaning it is well accepted by the body and integrates seamlessly with the bone. This integration process, known as osseointegration, is crucial for the stability and longevity of the implant. We use them to replace missing teeth. Whether you have lost a tooth due to injury, decay, or other reasons, dental implants can restore your smile and improve your oral health. They provide a durable and reliable solution that can last a lifetime with proper care. Over time, this process not only secures the implant but also helps to maintain the integrity of the jawbone, preventing bone loss that often occurs after tooth loss. This creates a strong base for replacement teeth. Once the implant has fully integrated, a custom-made crown, bridge, or denture can be attached to it, providing a natural and aesthetically pleasing appearance. Implants can support crowns, bridges, or dentures. This versatility makes them an excellent option for replacing one or multiple missing teeth, offering a stable and secure solution that enhances both function and appearance. They look and feel like natural teeth. With dental implants, you can enjoy the confidence of a beautiful smile and the comfort of knowing your teeth are secure and functional. This helps you eat, speak, and smile with confidence. Dental implants restore your ability to chew properly, speak clearly, and smile without hesitation, significantly improving your quality of life. Implants are a long-term solution for missing teeth. They offer a durable and reliable option that, with proper care, can last a lifetime, making them a worthwhile investment in your oral health and overall well-being. Dental implants offer many benefits over other tooth replacement options. Implants look and feel very natural. They function just like your own teeth. This means you can bite and chew with ease. Unlike bridges, implants don't require grinding down adjacent teeth. This preserves your natural tooth structure and prevents a sunken-in look. Before getting dental implants, you'll have a consultation. Your dentist will examine your mouth and take x-rays. This helps them assess your bone density and plan the procedure. They will discuss your medical history and any medications you take. It's crucial to inform them of any health conditions you have. They will give you instructions to follow before surgery. This may include dietary restrictions or adjustments to your medication. Section 4. The Implant Surgery, a step-by-step guide. In this section we will walk you through the entire process of getting a dental implant, from the initial consultation to the final placement of the crown. Understanding each step can help alleviate any anxiety and ensure you know what to expect. The dental implant procedure is usually done in stages. Each stage is crucial for the success of the implant and the overall health of your mouth. The process can take several months from start to finish, but the results are long-lasting and worth the wait. Ensure that you feel no pain during the procedure. The anesthesia. Then they drill a small hole and place the implant into the bone. The drilling is done with precision to ensure the implant fits perfectly. The implant, usually made of titanium, is then screwed into place. This part of the procedure is critical for the stability of the implant. Over several months, the implant fuses with the jawbone in a process called osseointegration. This is a natural process where the bone grows around the implant, securing it firmly in place. Osseointegration is crucial for the long-term success of the implant, as it ensures the implant is stable and can support a replacement tooth. Once the implant is secure, the dentist will attach an abutment. The abutment acts as a connector between the implant and the replacement tooth. It is screwed onto the implant and protrudes above the gum line. This step is usually done after the implant has fully integrated with the bone. This connects the implant to the replacement tooth. The abutment provides a stable base for the new tooth, ensuring it stays in place and functions like a natural tooth. The dentist will take impressions of your mouth to create a custom crown that fits perfectly. Finally, they place a crown, bridge, or denture on top of the abutment. The crown is designed to match the color and shape of your natural teeth, providing a seamless look. Once the crown is in place, you can enjoy the full function and appearance of a natural tooth. The entire process, though lengthy, results in a durable and aesthetically pleasing solution for missing teeth. Section 5. Recovery and Aftercare. After surgery, you can expect some swelling and discomfort. This is normal and can be managed with pain medication. Your dentist will give you specific instructions for caring for your implant. This includes gentle brushing, rinsing with salt water, and avoiding hard foods. It's crucial to follow these instructions carefully for proper healing. Regular dental checkups are essential to monitor the implant and ensure its long-term success. Designed to be a permanent solution, with proper care they can last a lifetime. You'll care for them just like your natural teeth. This includes brushing, flossing, and regular dental visits. Implants allow you to enjoy your favorite foods without restrictions. They also improve your speech and boost your self-confidence. Section 7. Conclusion. A lasting solution for a confident smile. Dental implants are a safe and effective way to replace missing teeth and restore your smile. They are designed to blend seamlessly with your natural teeth, providing a durable and aesthetically pleasing solution. Unlike dentures, which can be uncomfortable and require regular maintenance, dental implants offer a more permanent fix. They are anchored directly into your jawbone, which helps to maintain bone density and prevent the sunken appearance that can occur with missing teeth. The procedure involves several stages, from preparation to surgery and aftercare. Initially, your dentist will conduct a thorough examination to ensure you are a suitable candidate for implants. This may include X-rays and 3D imaging to assess the condition of your jawbone. Once you are cleared for the procedure, the next step is the surgical placement of the implant. This is typically done under local anesthesia, and most patients report minimal discomfort. By following your dentist's instructions, you can ensure a smooth recovery. This includes taking prescribed medications, avoiding certain foods, and maintaining good oral hygiene. Your dentist will provide you with detailed aftercare instructions to help you manage any discomfort and promote healing. And taking care of your implants, you can enjoy a lifetime of healthy, beautiful smiles. Regular dental checkups are essential to monitor the condition of your implants and ensure they remain in good shape. Proper maintenance includes brushing and flossing daily, just as you would with your natural teeth. You can enjoy a lifetime of healthy, beautiful smiles. Dental implants not only improve your appearance but also boost your confidence and overall quality of life. With a restored smile, you can eat, speak, and socialize without worrying about your teeth. If you're considering dental implants, it's important to weigh the benefits and potential risks. While the success rate for dental implants is high, it's crucial to have realistic expectations and understand the commitment involved. Consult with a qualified dentist who specializes in implantology. They can provide you with a comprehensive evaluation and discuss the best treatment plan tailored to your needs, to see if they're the right option for you. Remember, a confident smile can make a world of difference in your personal and professional life. Take the first step towards a brighter, more confident future by exploring the possibilities of dental implants today.